Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 featured trade idea. The setup and trade plan for Friday, September 14th, 2018. I guess this is an expiration Friday. Today's featured trade idea will be VRS, Versco. I guess they're a paper maker. Let's scrunch this down so we can see more of it. As we can see, Versco has been in a very strong trend. Well, a very strong trend from the second half, let's call it, second two-thirds of 2017, consolidated for considerable time with just a slight uptrend, and then in August had another very strong leg, putting in a J hook. Just a little profit taking here in the last week or so. I will be looking for follow through off of that Morningstar type signal where we had a down day, but the bulls pushed it back up. Indecisive day, but the bulls pushed it back up again, and then the bulls really took over there on Wednesday. Thursday followed through and are testing the breakout of that J hook now. Let's go out to a broader. Yeah, we don't have any. We're at all-time highs. There are no other price action out here that would get in the way, and so that will be as much information as we can get. We'll use this August, well, late July through the 1st of September run, bullish run up, as our indicator for fibs, and we'll use fib extensions on a 23.6 pullback. 38.2 will be the target, and I'll probably put in a second target just for grins here, up at 61.8. Let's see how that plans out. Okay, as we can see, VRS reported in early August, so we have a couple months. We've got 4 bullish conditions and 2 potential bearish conditions here. We've got enough liquidity. It trades about $11.5 million worth of stock a day. We've got that Morningstar yesterday, which had follow, well, 2 days ago, which had follow through yesterday. We had the bullish J hook in progress here. So the only things we've got going against us are that short-term trend because of the J hook pullback, and then the market trend is also in the short term not bullish. Let's look at an entry of, let's see, Thursday's high was 32.08, so let's just call it 32.10. With a stop down here. Oh, let's call it about 30.75. Our first target is clear up here, about 36.15, and that second target, oh, about 38.85. So Trader Vision says we can do 111 shares. Let's see if 100 is going to be okay for us. It's a 3% position, $135 of risk, so I'll probably bump that up to 150. And that puts us too big, wouldn't you know it? $120 shares keeps us in pretty good stead. I won't try to optimize more than that. 3.69% position, 3.96 or 69% of the account, and $162 of risk if we're stopped out. If we sell half at that first target, we'd pick up over 12.5%. If we had to sell that whole position at that first target, that would be almost $500 worth of profit, well above our goal for the trade, and it would give us 3 to 1. In fact, we only need to get to 35.02, so someplace right around here, in order to make our goal in the trade. So about 2/3 of the way. And if we can look at the moves it's done in the past, this here was 17.5% run. Let's try from right in here up into there. That was a 16% run. Down here, let's just say from in there, that was 17.5% run. So it's used to doing those sorts of magnitude of runs, so I like that layout. If we can hold on to half of it and get up to that second target, we can in fact pick up 21% on that second half, giving us overall almost a 17% trade and $648 in overall profit. So that will be our trade idea for Friday. Remember, we do have weekend headline risk to deal with. There may be something related to Hurricane Florence and flooding and storms, that sort of thing. Could always be trade-related news or a tweet, so just bear that in mind. But evaluate this against your view of the market, your trading style, rules, and criteria. If you do decide to take it, I wish you the best of luck. And if you like these videos, please subscribe and like down below. And lastly, I hope to see you in the trading room.